Hello and welcome. So first of all, Happy New Year to everyone, because this is my first video actually for this year. And this will come with a new feature that has been released this week. So it's also one of the first features for 2025. We have a few more, but more on that in different videos. This one is a feature that has been requested by our enterprise customers using the white label solution and want more control over what customers can see and what not. So this is an example, and we also have a demonstration white label page here. And you probably already know that you can deactivate a couple of options on the white label, but it was always hard to give access just to a different kind of widgets for your end customers. So now when you go into the edit mode of your device dashboard here by clicking this button, you can see that it looks a little bit different, and there's the add widget button, a public link button, but now there's a new button which is called add dashboard. And this can be used to create multiple pages of dashboard pages, so tabs on a device dashboard. Let's go ahead, click on this button, and this opens up a modal, and you can see it requests a name, and there's a setting for hiding this dashboard on white label. Majority of the enterprise customers requesting this were asking about separate service dashboards for the service people. So we call this like a service dashboard. And then there's the option to hide this dashboard on white label sites. Let's activate this, add the dashboard, and we now have a second dashboard in here. We can close this, and you can see we have the original dashboard and the service dashboard. Okay, let's go ahead. Now let's create a couple of widgets. So probably some widgets that you don't want your customers to see because it has too much complicated data. Device fields, let's just basically activate everything, and probably as well a chart widget. Just going through a couple of basic things here, but you can define your own service dashboard and bring more or less everything on it that you want. This also works with downlinks. You can deactivate downlinks for your white label site, but then bring downlinks back here on the service dashboard, for example. Okay, now we have two different independent types of dashboards. The normal dashboard that everybody can see, it's the default one, you cannot remove it. This one needs to be there all of the time. And the service dashboard. And again, for the service dashboard, we have marked this to hide on white label. Now, there's this white label site in here, and if I reload this page, we can see that only the normal dashboard is supported or shown up here. And it would even be possible to create a third one, or let's call this settings dashboard. Probably you wouldn't call a dashboard because it's obvious that it is a dashboard. We don't want to hide this on white label. We add this dashboard. We have a third one now. Add a widget like a text and like, hi, hello world, like this. Just for demonstration purposes. Now we have three different types of dashboards. And if we go on the white label again and reload, we can see, okay, we have dashboard and the settings dashboard. That means you can have multiple dashboards, hide some of them on white label, and show some of them on white label. This allows you now to create service dashboards on your devices for your internal management purposes, and then have a dashboard that's exclusively just for the customer, or one that is an additional dashboard for both customer and your internal purposes. It's available now. You can try it out. Public links are only supported for the main dashboard. That's something that you need to know. Yeah. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.